our chief guest, the ADEI, Nivedita, who is our executive secretary, Mr. and Mrs. Louise, Mr. Vedlikar, Dr. Edgar, and Francis. And welcome to all of you. Thank you for making the time to come over here. Whatever you're seeing here for 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes, it has taken more than a month and a half to train them. So our teachers have taken a lot of trouble, and the children have enthusiastically, even if they were tired, they would say, can we practice more? So in spite of keeping the studies going, in between in January we had exams, but even then the children practiced, and I thought that was a lot for the little ones to do. From LKG till 4th, every single child is participating, either in the dance, or if they're not everybody can dance, I can't, a lot of people can't. But even then, the teachers have made sure that the children are participating in some way. Now, every year we have either an annual day or a sports day. आणि आम्ही हे सगळे कित्या खातीर करतात? भुरगीं स्कुलां येतात शिक्षणा खातीर. मागीर हे सगळे नाटक कित्याक? The reason is because हांगची जी भुरगीं आसात आमगेली, ती फक्त जर स्टडीज करत, ते मातशे बोरिंग जाता. प्लस अशी जी एक्टिविटीज उरतात स्पोर्ट्सचे किंवा एन्युअल डेचे, तांणी भुरग्यांचे जे कोऑर्डिनेशन उरता आनी तांगेल्या भितरली जी कला उरता ती एनकरेज करच्याक, ती स्कील ते ट्रेनिंग दिवच्याक असले प्रोग्राम्स आमी वर्सांतल्यान एक खेपे दवरतात. बिसायड्स दीज एन्युअल प्रोग्राम्स आमी दर म्हयन्याक एक कितें ना कितें तरी मार्केट शो म्हणा किंवा कसले कॉम्पिटिशन, ड्रॉइंग कॉम्पिटिशन, कितें ना कितें तरी चालू उरताच आमगेल्या स्कुलांत. म्हण आमी कितें स्कुलांत म्हळ्यार आमगेली पॉलिसी अशी आसा की वी गिव क्वॉलिटी एज्युकेशन, ऑल रावंड एज्युकेशन. फक्त बरोवप आनी वाचप अशी न्ही, तांकां जे बाकी तांगेले टॅलंट्स आसात ते सुद्दां आमी पळयतात. आनी मोस्ट ऑफ यू वूड हॅव रियलायज की आमी प्रत्येक भुरग्याचे आमी फाटल्यान उरतात, तापयतात तांकां, उलयतात तांकां, तांगेले पेरंट्स आहा आपोवंक तांचे कडेन सुद्दां आमी उलयतात. Sometimes it is a bit too much when we scold the parents. But in the end it is so that our students benefit. 10 वर्सांनंतर 15 वर्सांनंतर जेन्ना हेच भुरगे जेन्ना अडल्ट जातले, they should be well educated citizens of this country. हो आमगेलो हेतू. And I think all of you realize that the children who have come to our school eventually get that confidence to talk in public, and most importantly to have teamwork. सगळे जाण एकत्र मेळून करतात, individually अशी न्ही. Individually also we encourage them in competitions, पूण हे जे टीमवर्क उरता न्ही, हे वेगळेच. हाजो अनुभवच वेगळो. जशें हांव when I came on the stage I said म्हाका कांय दिसना, तशेंच ही भुरगीं आतां आयलीं तेन्ना तांकांय कांय दिसलें ना, but they performed and they performed so well. And now you will see in the latter half also that how well they do when they are given a chance, an opportunity and training. And I have a request to you. कितें जाता आमगेली थोडी भुरगीं जी आसात न्ही, who come from neighborhoods which are a little far away and they have to walk to school, it is good if they come with other children from the same neighborhood. So since our admissions are now open, अशी विनंती आसा की नर्सरीची भुरगीं म्हळ्यार 3 वर्सां जाल्ली भुरगीं, 3 years कंप्लीट, ती आमी आतां नर्सरी घेतात. तुमगेले आसपास जर कोणी भुरगीं उरत जर तांकां आमचे कडेन धाडात. Because when a group of children comes to school, even in their neighborhood, their homes, थंयच तीच फ्रेंड्स उरतात एकाच स्कुलांतली. And that is a very big advantage. So I will request you to tell your neighbors to put their children also in the same school.
For me it was such an honor. ये बच्चों ने जिस तरीके से आज काम किया ना, wow, say wow. Yeah, that's the spirit. Dear ma'am, Andrad, thank you so much for coming, ma'am, and honoring us today. For us, it makes a huge difference because with your experience, when you spoke today, it gives us such confidence that yes, we are doing good, but there is so much more to do. So, my dear friends, especially parents, I think today's performance in the entire history of this school has been the best. A big hand to these kids who are so outstanding. But the people who have really made it happen are these beautiful teachers of this school. May I request Rosie, if you can ask all the teachers to come up for a second quickly. This is the best group of teachers you can ever find anywhere in Goa. You know, the applause is not good enough. The best part is, my dear friends, especially parents, you will agree with me, is the passion these teachers show for so many years. They are not in a great school, but what they do is so great. Year after year, I've seen it myself. I think most of them are working for more than 10 years in the school. Most of them. And some young blood has also joined now, making it even more and more better. It is that commitment to the school and to its teachers. Why I'm saying this, my friends, over the last 25 years that I'm associated, I'm so proud. Of course, my wife was a teacher many years back here, but all the students I have met who have passed out from this school, most of them are very good doctors, very good engineers, very good managers, and doing very well across the world. A big hand to these teachers once again for making this happen and making the show so beautiful. So, my dear friends, this school is a mission. Fomento is guided by Mrs. Anju Timblo. I tell you, I know her for so many years. She is an amazing person committed to education. Right from the beginning of the school, so many years, she has been a part of this institution. And today, she is committed herself and is expecting all of us to take this institution forward. Sheila, Nivedita, they are just amazing. I mean, they have the way they have turned it around. I am so proud of them. And I'm sure, as parents, you would have appreciated the work they do. And I can promise you, as the years go by, I know we are a little slow, but we are steady. But we got to be faster. Better education comes with better facilities, comes with better environment. And we have still to go a long way, to be very honest. And I assure you, whatever is possible, along with you, along with your help, and with support of the government from which Madam comes from, the government of Goa is committed to bring in quality education in Goa. And if you see these students, my dear, they are the best in the world. All of them are going to do well in life. I can guarantee you. Thank you for making this day so special. I never thought I'll sit through this. I never thought I'll be asked to speak here. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. All the best. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, students. Great day ahead. Great year. Thank you.
Respected members of the board of Fomento Educational and Charitable Society, to each one of you, Dr. Edgar, Principal of Goa College of Hospitality and Culinary Education, Mrs. Nivedita Srivastava, Head of this Porvorim English Primary School, also the Executive Secretary of the board, all other members present here, Administrator Madam Sheila Jayvant, parents, teachers, students, and everyone, it's my great honor and pleasure to be here among you and the little children as the chief guest of this beautiful occasion. I thank God for this opportunity, and Madam Sheila, whose very soft-spoken and gentle ways attracted me here. And also, I'm happy to be here because this is the place, Panjim, where I was born and brought up. Spent around 30 years in this locality and came often here, but not as a chief guest. So this is my first opportunity. So thank you. It gives me a great joy to see the little children, the special gift from God to the parents and to each one of us. Their innocence, their joy, transparency, and whatever team spirit they showed today, with such precision they have performed. Each and every performance is really deserves a big round of applause. So I appeal to you all once again to appreciate them with a round of applause. Appreciation to all the teachers who have brought up this event, without which it would not happen. It shows the talents, the mind of the management. Each program had something to give us, like starting from the fashion show, using waste and putting it to such a beautiful use. The fashion show really was very nice, isn't it? Yeah, so every item was worthy of praise and applause. So a big round of applause to the management, the teachers, the supporters, the parents. Also coming up here on this stage and performing as little children will go a way long. So these minds, they will really remember and grow up to be great citizens of this country. So thank you for bringing them up in a very nice way. The holistic development is shown here. I'm sure they participate in all other activities like sports as well. And I would like to encourage you parents as well as teachers to help inculcate the habit of reading in the little children, coloring, reading, so that, you know, they may not spend much time with the mobile, but will love to make the book their best friend, a book their best friend, which has helped me in my life too. So let's start, if not yet started, to inculcate this discipline of reading, which will enlighten their minds and help them in their growth forward. Nothing more to say. I don't want to take much more of your time, but I would like to ask the Lord to bless your little children, the management, with whatever dreams you all are having for them in the future. And also I would like you to put them in the same school. I have my association with the high school, Donna Leonard. I keep coming there for certain duties. So I have a good rapport with that management as well as the teachers. So please, as they go up to the 5th standard, see that they continue in this environment and they grow well. So wishing you all the best, a bright future, and thank you once again. A big God bless to each one of you. Thank you.